Hi everyone. Hi, welcome to my channel. Just wanted to just a demonstration for fixing the rear tire carrier for R50 Pathfinder. So this is how I try to do it with the help of a person who does all the bumpers and stuff like that. So I bought this from the stuff from junkyard, the carrier. One of my friend has bought it and I bought it from him. uh, we actually just stuck the stickers and just making the measurements, like first I have fixed it and taken the exact measurements, and now we are fixing it to the bumper. So this is a bumper clamp. There were three clamps which should be fixed in the bumper for better locking and the better strengthening it. And now we are taking the measurements. It's kind of a you have to take the measurements very well, else it will be hanging in a bad way. Like you will have some up and down, so we wanted to do it in a better way. Now we're taking the measurements, so let's see. The guy who is doing this work is doing it for the first time for me. So he's a professional doing the bumpers, and you know he does all kind of off-road bumpers, as well as he does the skid plates. He's doing his job very well. So for strengthening we will do another plate, and inside, as well as for the C pillar, we will be reinforcing it with another clamp. So now we are fixing it like drilling it for getting the measurements and the bumper. Later we will remove this and remove the bumper. So this kind of, like, we have done all the process, believe me, done it in 3.5 hours. Like maximum you can say is 4 hours. He have done the complete job. So this was the first tire carrier fixing in his life he's doing. Like, this is like, it's I feel that within 4 hours he can do it. It means for the first time he will be able to do the many other jobs. So now this is a plate, we are cutting it. I have taken the measurements and cutting it for the exact length which we wanted to reinforce this holding for the better strong. So once you fix this will be very very strong, and it will not come out. As we are driving these cars in the desert of UAE, so we have a lot of jumps, bumps, and the vehicle will be going from the uneven roads, and it's at high speeds, so it should not remove and come out in the middle of the way. So it's just a marking we are doing. See, it's for the marking, and later we will drill it and fix a screw or the bolt onto it and just
क्या चला गया यार
it's a marking, like we will do it. So once this marking is done, we will make the hole
हम
onto
वीडियो
it.
बनाएगा ना कि यूट्यूब में डालने के लिए
Supposed to take it, make the holes. After making the holes, we'll just put the holes like nut. I mean nut. We will weld the nut and use it like for better strengthening, as it does not have much spaces inside. So now he is just taking the measurements, if it is correct or not. And you see the holes on the left hand side, 3 small holes, and the other holes he is fixing to. Actually we thought of rebating to make the rivet and just pour it inside to the car body, but now we thought that is not a good idea, as long as you are going in the desert, it will have the shake and stuffs like that. So once you travel for a long run, there are chances for it to get loose. So now we plan to do the welding for better strengthening. So we have first removed the battery line and started welding, else you will damage the complete ECU and the wiring system. So now he is just checking whether it is it's better, like, okay, is the carrier easy to fix or not. Now again we will fix the bumper and check it. That's why he is removing it. Now we are doing the complete welding. So once this is done, look at this, and we will paint it. It's not much big deal, like, completely welding is done for better strengthening. And this is the carrier which we bought, and the bumper is fixed now for checking. These are the photos. Okay, now we started making up the the clamp for it's a 4 clamp, like we are making it for the tire carrier to hold inside the C pillar. This must be strong, and it should be like a factory fixing. I think this one is better than the factory fixing. Like we are making it reinforcing it like strong as factory fitment. This is not available as you cannot find this kind of stuffs if you go to the junkyard as well as any places. This C pillar clamp is not available anywhere, and this comes with the carrier is very rare in UAE, but we get this from scrap from the junkyard, now we will make a hole into this these clamps, and later we will make the bolt fixed onto it, I mean the nut fixed onto it. So that would be more strengthening. We have the inner side, which our hand does not fit. There we will fix the balls, and rest of the nuts are removable. Okay, so that we can fix it with our hand itself. There's no issues. We are looking into it and putting it
थोड़ा
properly.
इधर टेढ़ा हो जाएगा फिर मुश्किल है.
This kind of a strengthening which we have, like it's special, like it will hold the complete weight onto it. As this is the aluminum one, it does not require much weight. I think it's a 6 or 7 kgs maximum. You can like a 6 kg as well. And I bought this number plate holder from the junkyard as well as and this is just a original Nissan one. You can see this comes for Terrano. I took it from junkyard. This belongs to Terrano, and I just made some holes to fix it. There are even the light inside, number plate lights, so you can connect it to the old wiring, so it will be working well. And this is the final. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.